Hello foodies, welcome to GR Foods. I'm a baby chef Nehitha. Today my mama going to show red chili dal. Let's start the recipe. For red chili dal we are taking pressure cooker. Now add some oil. Add some cumin seeds. Add some dhania seeds. Add some red chilies. Add some onion. Fry for a minute. Add some garlic. Add some tur dal. Fry for a minute. Add some turmeric powder. Add some tomatoes. Just mix and add some water. Some tamarind. Close the pressure cooker lid. Cook till 4 whistles. Now open the lid. Now smash the dal. Add some salt. Now mix well. Now take it into a bowl. Now start tempering. Add some ghee. Add some mustard seeds. Add some red chilies and spring onions. Just fry for a minute. Add tempering to dal. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe GR Foods. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video. Have a good day.